Imagine a world where your drone outflies your car, robots replace doctors, and roadblocks rise like sci-fi monsters to stop you in your tracks. Welcome to the future, where speed demons like the Roadrunner drone redefine fast, and CarePods offer a checkup without the human touch. Buckle up for a wild ride through tomorrow's tech, where everything you thought was impossible is just getting started. Motoroid II. What happens when the line between human and machine starts to blur? Yamaha's engineers are pushing the boundaries of this question with the Motoroid II, a futuristic concept that's as intriguing as it is groundbreaking. Building on an idea from 6 years ago, the Motoroid II integrates cutting-edge trends like artificial intelligence and facial recognition, creating a machine that's not just a motorcycle but a partner of sorts. This self-balancing marvel features a swing arm and rear wheel that operate independently from the rest of the bike, allowing for an almost eerie level of stability. But here's where it gets wild. Motoroid II has been trained to move without a rider, performing with such finesse that you could actually dance with it. It even responds to certain gestures, although Yamaha's not spilling all the beans just yet on how you'll control it without handlebars. Xpeng Aroh HT. Imagine a world where your car doesn't just take you from point A to point B, but can literally take flight when traffic gets unbearable. Xpeng Motors, a Chinese automotive giant worth over $7 billion, is making that a reality with the Xpeng Aroh HT. This marvel of engineering is a masterstroke by the clever minds at Xpeng. Hidden in the trunk is a sleek flying module, waiting for the moment it can break free. When the time comes, the module slides out, disconnects with a smooth, sci-fi-like flair, and within moments, you're not just driving, you're soaring. It's like something straight out of a futuristic blockbuster, but it's real, it's happening, and it's ready to change the way we think about travel forever. Lexus Hoverboard. Imagine stepping into the future and discovering that hoverboards aren't just a pipe dream. Lexus made it a reality back in 2015 with their hoverboard prototype. Did we all just blink and miss the future? Not quite. Lexus pulled off this magic trick by creating a custom skate park with metal plates embedded in the ground. The hoverboard itself uses powerful magnets and superconductors chilled to an icy -197°C with liquid nitrogen. It's a bold leap towards the sci-fi world we've all imagined, but unfortunately, you won't be gliding down the street just yet. The tech is undeniably cool though, and it proves that the future isn't as far away as we think. It's just waiting for the right moment to zoom in. Shane. Ever heard of Shane Chen? If not, you've definitely seen his genius at work. This Chinese-American inventor is the mastermind behind the hoverboard. Yes, the same one that had everyone gliding around like they were in the future. With over 70 patents to his name, Chen isn't just resting on his laurels. His latest brainchild? The Shane, a two-wheeled electric car that's making waves as the world's first of its kind. Two-wheeled cars might sound impractical, but Chen's design promises the comfort and convenience of a regular vehicle. Imagine this: 5 people, their luggage, and a smooth ride all packed into a futuristic, eco-friendly machine. Rumor has it, Chen believes Shane will revolutionize how we think about mobility, and honestly, who's going to doubt him? He's on the lookout for partners to make this game-changing vision a reality. And with his track record, it's only a matter of time before Shane hits the streets. Hoversurf. Up next in today's showcase is a daring venture from the Russian company Hoversurf, known for pushing the envelope with their futuristic flying car. This isn't just any flying car. It features engines that use the Venturi effect. No, that's not a magic trick. It's a scientific principle that makes these engines quieter, more compact, and safer than your standard propeller-driven ones. Picture this: a sleek air cab that fits into a regular parking spot. Sounds like science fiction? It's closer to reality than you think. For the flying ambulance version, the top speed of 250 kilometers per hour is a game changer. And if you're worried about battery life, a full charge will get you about 30 minutes of airborne adventure, with a quick 40-minute recharge using a Tesla fast charger. Hoversurf isn't just dreaming big, they're making the future of personal air travel look pretty spectacular. Citroen 1919 concept. To celebrate a century of automotive excellence, Citroen pulled out all the stops with their 1919 concept car, a tribute to the year the legendary French company was born. This isn't just an electric car, it's a bold statement of what mobility could look like in the next 100 years. The 1919 is packed with futuristic features, including 2 powerful motors that deliver a whopping 462 horsepower. On a single charge, this beauty can take you on an 800-kilometer journey, all while accelerating up to 200 km/h with ease. And let's talk about those wheels. Goodyear tires that are nearly a meter in diameter, adding a touch of grandeur to an already extraordinary design. Citroen's 1919 isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of art, a symbol of innovation, and a bold vision for the future of electric mobility. SR02. Japan is stepping into the realm of futuristic robotics with the SR02, a walking robot that's the size of a small car. This engineering marvel measures a staggering 3.4 meters in length and can comfortably accommodate 4 people. Created by a company famous for its amusement rides, the SR02 is designed to move at a slow but steady pace, offering a unique blend of entertainment and functionality. It can squat, pivot on its axis, and even turn in place, all while being controlled remotely. While it's a far cry from the iconic Star Wars AT-AT Walker, the SR02 is a glimpse into the future of personal robotics and amusement technology. Imagine seeing such a robot at your local theme park or event. With a height of 1.9 meters, it's impressive enough to draw crowds and spark imaginations. Future iterations might be even more grandiose, but for now, the SR02 is a marvel in its own right. BoxLED. The global advertising arena is a vast and evolving landscape, with a staggering market value of approximately $842 billion in 2023. Polish company Screen LED is shaking things up with their innovative BoxLED unit, a cutting-edge solution for ad display. This ingenious device can be installed on cars or purchased separately, allowing advertisers to showcase dynamic content on the go. BoxLED isn't just about flashy visuals. It's designed for practicality and durability. Equipped with automatic brightness adjustments, the display ensures optimal visibility in various lighting conditions. Moreover, it's built to withstand the elements, with resistance to rain and winds up to 20 meters per second, making it perfect for all-weather advertising. Motorola Adaptive Display Concept. Motorola is at it again with a showstopper from Lenovo Tech World 2023. Introducing the flexible smartphone that's so adaptable, you can literally wrap it around your wrist. Yes, you heard that right. Buy one phone, get a smartwatch too. Forget about phone stands or balancing acts. Now you can enjoy your videos while munching on your lunch with ease. In its flat form, this screen measures 6.9 inches diagonally, but twisted around, and it shrinks to a nifty 4.6 inches. Will this marvel of flexible tech make it to the production line? It's still up in the air. But considering Motorola showcased a similar concept back in 2016, it looks like they're committed to turning this futuristic vision into a reality. If they pull it off, your next phone might just be as bendy as your imagination. Xpeng Aroh HT X2. But wait, Xpeng isn't stopping there. They're pushing the envelope even further with the Xpeng Aroh HT X2. Picture this, an all-electric flying car that's not just a prototype, but an actual functioning machine currently undergoing rigorous tests. With the ability to hit speeds up to 130 km/h, this flying marvel is not just about getting from A to B, it's about getting there in style, through the sky. And here's the kicker, it's the first among its competitors to be cleared for piloted flights. Xpeng is turning science fiction into reality with a blend of innovation and audacity that's hard to beat. So buckle up, no, really buckle up, because the future of commuting is going airborne. Flying whales. Now, let's talk about something truly colossal, flying whales. Yes, you heard that right. While half the world's population struggles to access basic healthcare, a visionary French team is on a mission to change that with flying hospitals. These aren't just any flying hospitals. They're massive airships, up to 200 meters long, with cargo compartments stretching an astounding 96 meters. These behemoths will carry containers that magically transform into fully equipped hospitals, ready to deploy wherever they're needed. And this isn't some far-off fantasy. Production kicks off next year, with these sky giants expected to start flying by 2025. It's a project that's as ambitious as it is necessary, aiming to bring healthcare to the remotest corners of the Earth, all while cruising through the clouds. deep Sentinel system. As the clock ticks toward 2030, whispers are growing louder that the International Space Station, ISS, might be nearing its final orbit. But while the stars have held our gaze for decades, some forward thinkers are turning their attention to the depths of our own planet. Enter Deep, a British company with its eyes set on creating an underwater equivalent of the ISS, meet Sentinel. If all goes according to plan, scientists could be diving into their research at 200 meters below sea level as soon as 2027. This isn't just a dream, it's a high-tech, deep-sea reality. The station will sit where marine life thrives, providing unparalleled opportunities for research. And here's the kicker. The parts for Sentinel are being made with cutting-edge 3D printing technology, specifically WAM metal printing. It's like something out of a sci-fi novel, but it's happening here and now, poised to uncover the mysteries of the deep blue. Alpine Alpenglow. Picture this, a hypercar that's not just a peek into the future, but a full-on leap. The French automaker Alpine did exactly that for the Paris Motor Show, unveiling a concept car so sleek it practically glows with potential. Meet the Alpenglow, a vehicle that's as impressive in sketches as it is in reality. Alpine's design direction is crystal clear in this masterpiece. The Alpenglow is engineered to dominate both racetracks and city streets alike, with the driver, or should we say pilot, seated right in the center. Powering this beast is a hydrogen internal combustion engine paired with a hybrid powertrain, fusing cutting-edge technology with sustainability. Now, while the Alpenglow itself might not roll off production lines, don't think for a second that its groundbreaking ideas will be left in the dust. Expect to see elements of this stunner shaping the future of automotive design. Space Urchin. Imagine a space station that looks like something straight out of a futuristic sci-fi movie. The brains behind this concept? A talented team from Australia who took home a prize at the Space Awards 2022 for their innovative design. Drawing inspiration from the unique anatomy of sea urchins, they've crafted a space station that's not just a standalone marvel, but part of a larger interconnected space system. Built on a robust 36-meter diameter block, the station is designed with expansion in mind. Think endless possibilities as it grows and adapts to future needs. It's more than just a floating hub in space. It's a symbol of what's possible when we push the boundaries of design and engineering. This Space Urchin concept isn't just a vision for the future. It's a blueprint for the next giant leap in human exploration. Forward CarePod. The future of healthcare might not involve traditional doctor's visits, at least not in the way we know them. In the US, innovative clinics called CarePods are revolutionizing patient care by eliminating the need for a physical doctor on site. These compact, high-tech clinics are popping up in shopping malls and other convenient locations, offering services like blood tests, biometric scans, and screenings for conditions such as diabetes. The real game changer? Artificial intelligence algorithms that handle diagnostics and provide personalized recommendations. With a subscription model priced at $99 per month, CarePods offer accessible, cutting-edge healthcare without the usual wait times or in-person consultations. This futuristic approach is not only efficient, but also makes healthcare more accessible, blending technology and convenience to meet the needs of today's busy, health-conscious consumers. Airpod. Picture this. You're stuck at an airport with hours to kill, and you just wish for a comfortable place to relax or get some work done. Slovenian company Airpod has the perfect solution with their high-tech airport capsules. These sleek, pod-like havens allow travelers to check their smartphones, enjoy a peaceful snack, or take a refreshing nap. But that's not all. Once you're rested, the Airpod transforms into a mini office, complete with adjustable furniture, air conditioning, and free Wi-Fi. The innovation caused quite a stir when a prototype was showcased at a Dubai exhibition, with the team confident they could have sold thousands on the spot. Testing is slated for airports across the UK, UAE, and Oman, aiming to revolutionize the way we experience layovers. RM Paint. As we've journeyed through various conceptual transportation ideas, it's clear that the future is bright and hopefully less crash-prone as smart cars and autopilots take the wheel. But what about the inevitable fender bender that slips through the cracks? Enter BASF Coatings, the German powerhouse renowned for its top-tier paint and coating materials. They're not just thinking about what cars will look like in the future. They're reimagining the very essence of repair shops. Imagine a world where the repair process is as advanced as the vehicles themselves. BASF's vision involves cutting-edge technologies that could transform repair shops into high-tech hubs, ensuring that every scratch and dent is treated with futuristic precision. It's a glimpse into a world where even after an accident, your car could come out looking and feeling better than ever. ZipChargeGo. In 2021, the electric car market saw a surge with about 16.5 million vehicles on the road, a staggering threefold jump from just 3 years earlier. But while electric cars are zooming ahead, the infrastructure to support them isn't quite keeping pace. Charging stations are still sparse in many areas, leaving drivers searching for solutions. Enter ZipChargeGo, a British startup with a clever, suitcase-sized answer to this growing problem. Imagine this: a portable battery that you can charge at home, then toss in your trunk as a backup power source. It comes in 2 sizes, a 4 kilowatt-hour battery that adds up to 32 kilometers to your range, and a beefier 8 kilowatt-hour version that gives you an extra 64 kilometers. The goal? To distribute 100,000 of these portable chargers worldwide by 2030, democratizing energy and giving electric car owners the freedom to roam without fear of running out of juice. Anti-assaltos by Pitbull. Ever wish for a more formidable deterrent than the usual concrete block? Meet the anti-assaltos stoppers by Pitbull, a game-changing solution for blocking unauthorized access. These stoppers are not just your run-of-the-mill roadblocks. They come with eye-catching stripes and formidable spikes. Rising to a height of 60 centimeters in a swift 6 seconds, they are crafted from robust 16mm thick steel to withstand intense impacts. Engineered to perform flawlessly in extreme temperatures ranging from 75 degrees Celsius to minus 25 degrees Celsius, these stoppers are built for durability and reliability. Ideal for high-security locations like airports, customs offices, embassies, and prisons, they provide a high-visibility barrier that's hard to ignore. With their superior construction and quick deployment, anti-assalto stoppers offer an effective and durable solution to keep restricted areas secure, ensuring that your security measures are both practical and highly effective. Roadrunner. In December, Anduril Industries, a cutting-edge US-based defense tech company, unveiled their latest marvel, the Roadrunner Interceptor drone. While not all its secrets are out, one thing is clear: this drone is a speed demon. Equipped with 2 turbojet engines, it zooms at an impressive 1,120 kilometers per hour, setting it apart from competitors. According to Anduril Industries, the Roadrunner isn't just fast. It boasts a range 10 times greater and maneuverability 3 times better than its rivals. Its versatility is another standout feature, making it suitable for a variety of missions. The Roadrunner M model, for instance, is tailored to combat unmanned aerial vehicles, but also excels in reconnaissance and tracking. With its groundbreaking capabilities and successful first sale, the Roadrunner is poised for mass production. This drone isn't just a technological feat, it's a game-changer in aerial defense and surveillance, setting a new benchmark for the industry. Makani. Imagine harnessing the power of the wind with a kite, a really big industrial-grade kite. That's exactly what the creators of Makani envisioned, and after 7 years of development, they turned that vision into reality. Starting with a modest 20-kilowatt prototype, Makani eventually evolved into a fully functional kite, capable of generating a whopping 600 kilowatt of electricity. Google saw the potential and acquired the project, but by 2019, the funding dried up, and in February 2020, Alphabet, Google's parent company, officially pulled the plug on Makani. Despite its untimely end, the Makani kite was a marvel of engineering. It would soar to heights of 300 to 400 meters, circling in the sky while its rotors generated electricity. A tether connected the kite to a ground station, transmitting the power it produced. Makani needed wind speeds of at least 3.5 meters per second to take off, and when in full swing, it could generate enough electricity to power about 30 households. INX Ambulance cot. The daily grind of paramedics and first responders is grueling, especially when it comes to transporting patients on stretchers. Enter the INX Ambulance cot, a game-changing innovation designed to alleviate physical strain while enhancing patient care. This electric stretcher supports up to 317.7 kilograms, ensuring stability and comfort for patients. Unlike traditional stretchers, The INX Ambulance cot maintains patients in an optimal lying position and comes with adjustable guides for intravenous lines and other medical devices, making emergency transport smoother and more efficient. Adjustments are a breeze with just a push of a button, and an integrated LCD display provides real-time information to medical personnel. This smart stretcher is not just about comfort, it's a critical tool designed to streamline emergency response, reducing the physical toll on responders and improving patient outcomes.